not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey there, coding enthusiasts. I'm Ampire and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new daily quiz playlist on Python, Java, and C. Whether you are a beginner looking to hone your skills or a seasoned developer wanting to keep your knowledge sharp, these playlists are perfect for you. Just go to my channel, click on playlist section, and here you will find the treasure of tech knowledge sources. Each day I will be uploading new quiz questions to challenge you and help you master key concepts in Python, Java, and C. As you can see, the three playlists are available here from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a question. Let's learn and grow together. Happy coding, everyone!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.